Alright guys, we're back to filming, walk around. Okay, they got some shaded sitting areas here. Got a doggy bar for the dogs. This place is huge, man. So this shows the eating areas, guys. There's more stuff this way. Let me see, I'm gonna try to walk this way, get in a little bit of shade, and so the camera don't overheat. Oops, someone taking pictures. Got some cool artwork. We got underwear art, more clothes. We got leather boots and things here, guys. Alright, look like we got food over here. So you know I'm gonna see if there's any vegan places available. Okay, we got We Make Dumplings. I'm gonna get some dumplings. Alright, we got Dippity Slime. This is cool. So, I never knew this, guys. There's benefits of playing with slime. Increases your attention span, builds fine motor skills, stimulates the senses, increases creativity. Okay. It's calming, soothing, and satisfying. Is oodles and oodles of fun. That's interesting. So this is the benefits of playing with slime, guys. I never knew this. How y'all doing? They have clay slime, crunch slime, icing slime, cloud slime. I thought there was just, oh, and they have clear slime. I thought there was just slime in the world. Okay. So I'm gonna get since I want more increased creativity, guys, I'm gonna get a thing of slime. Oh, it's in these foreign metrics, I don't know. How big is 70 milliliters?
Okay, that's this side.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and we've also got some testers if you'd like to feel.
Okay. All right, guys, we're gonna test it out.
Okay, so this is this one, the icing one.
You know what this remind me of, guys?
Oh, yeah?
My niece, KK, she makes slime out of glue and some other stuff. She's like a kid chemist, yeah. It reminds me just of it. It's like, KK, you need to start a business, girl.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm a texture person, so it's really weird for me. But I will do anything for increased creativity. Okay, this one. So this one's kind of light, softer textures. Yeah, it's weird.
And the more you play with it, the more it like puffs up.
Oh, okay.
It's like quite cool.
Interesting.
Very. This is the clay slime. Oh no, yeah. This one's the clay. That's what I'm
Oh. Okay, this is probably more up my alley.
Makes lots of like popping and
yeah.
Oh, it's so great.
I can see this working great as a stress ball.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
Also got the crunch. Oh yeah, this is getting a bit sticky.
Kind of moisturizes your hands.
Yeah, I was just thinking, I'm like, there's no odor to it or nothing. It's really
It's a
weird.
bit, but it's very subtle.
I don't smell it.
If you need a bit of moisturizing, just go.
And then this is the crunch slime
Oh.
with the microbeads in it.
Oh. I kind of like this one. It makes noises.
Yeah, it's very loud.
I think I'm gonna go with the crunch, guys. Believe it or not, I'm gonna do one of the crunch, please.
So that's the crunch. So you
Oh, okay.
pick them in the edge, so they'll same.
Okay, I'll go with the rainbow. And can I pay with tap or?
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
And I'm also going to give you an activator. Or you can either buy a pre-made one, or I can give you one to make at home. So it helps with the stickiness. So when it's very hot outside and it can melt, so the activator just binds it all back together.
You know, let me make it on my. That'd be a good video. I can make it myself.
There we go.
Yeah.
I'm just going to activate it for you now.
Oh, okay. Thank
It's
you.
not terrible when you open it.
See how awesome it is here, guys. Oh, make sure you follow them on Instagram, dippity.slimes.
Where are you from?
Texas.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Welcome to South Africa.
Thank you. I love it here.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
How long
I-
have you been here?
I've been here 7 months now.
So, did you immigrate
Let me-
or?